guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I am going to show you one of my favorite types of wreaths. Today we're going to be making a splatter screen wreath. For this wreath you're going to need one splatter screen, and you could spray paint the splatter screen first if you wanted to because it does show just a little bit. You'll want to remove the knob, and then I picked up this pretty placemat at Walmart, and I believe it was $2.96. It's Better Homes and Gardens, and when I flip over the tag, if you want to, you could screenshot the barcode. You do not have to use this exact placemat. A Dollar Tree placemat will work just fine. You will also need one of the adorable new Farmers Market signs from Dollar Tree. They are so cute, and it has several pieces below it, so we're just going to separate it off of the string, and we're going to use 3 pieces off of this sign. You will also need some ribbon for a bow, and you will need a total of 5 floral picks. You'll need 3 wildflower picks from Dollar Tree and 2 of, I believe these are bellflowers. I'm not real sure, I can't remember. I think it says bellflowers. So 3 of the blue, 2 of the yellow. You will also need some floral wire, and I'm using 20 gauge floral wire, some zip ties, your hot glue gun and glue sticks, wire cutters, and scissors to make this splatter screen wreath. Now remember, you could spray paint this splatter screen first if you wanted to because it does show a little bit because of the design on the placemat. I'm just taking some 20 gauge floral wire, cut the wire into smaller pieces, I'm threading it through the placemat, through the splatter screen, and then I'm going to go the back and give the wires a few twists. Now I did add a total of 4 wires to keep my placemat in place, and I didn't exactly get mine centered up just right, but that's okay, it works out fine too. Next, I'm going to be using 2 of the wildflower, 2 of the bellflowers. So you're going to make a tiny swag. So you're going to place 1 flower on the left, 1 on the right, overlapping the stems. Continue the same process until you get the swag the size you want, and then you're going to want to have a zip tie close by to zip tie your swag together. Next, you're going to take the wires that are on your bow, just wrap it around the swag, then go the back, twist the wires, and then cut them off short and fold them down. Now you're ready to shape your swag, so you'll kind of want to bend it, not too much, but I kind of wanted mine to kind of make a C shape to put on my splatter screen. So once you get it shaped like you want, then you're going to take some more floral wire, thread it through the placemat, through the splatter screen, go over the little swag, same steps until you get your swag nice and secure. Then you're going to go the back, twist those wires and fold them down and cut them off, and this is what it looks like when you get your swag attached. I think it looks so pretty without doing anything else. Next, you're going to take your farmer's market sign and you'll just want to clip it off of the string. And we did have to put a hole in the top. I asked my husband to drill a hole in the top for me, but I don't think he drilled it. I think he said he just used a nail or something. Anyways, to attach it, same steps. Put your wire through that little hole on your sign, thread it through the placemat, through the splatter screen, go the back and twist the wires, then cut them off short. Now you could hot glue it on if you wanted to, but I went ahead and just wired it on. You can see the splatter screen just a little bit, but we're not finished yet. So I took some of the other pieces of the sign and I just hot glued them on, one below the farmer's market sign and one above. And then I took another wildflower pick and I just took a few pieces off of it and I hot glued some above the farmer's market sign and some below. To hang your splatter screen wreath up, you'll just take some floral wire, thread it through the top of your splatter screen, make a loop, twist it, and that's how I have it hanging on my door. So this is how it looks. Now this can be made with everything Dollar Tree. You don't have to use the Walmart placemat unless you just want to. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Leave me a comment if you don't mind. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I would love to have you as a subscriber. And there's little Parker.